Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Hello students, this is our math class Form 1. Today our lesson is about solving linear equations. Okay. First we have to know what's an equation. Oh, sorry. Yeah. An equation is a mathematical statement containing an equal sign. Equal sign means this sign to show that two expressions are equal. You know expression we have studied before. For example, this is an expression, one term, another term which are constant. This is an equal sign which shows that the two expressions, those two expressions and this expression are equal. This is an equation. If I explain here, 5x is a term, one term, and 10 is another term, and 35 is another term which is constant. Those two terms are expression. This is equal sign. Equal sign makes an equation. So an expression with equal sign is equation. This is an equation. So equation has left side and right side. So these two, which is called the equation. Arday, waxaan dhiganaynaa maanta saa loo xaliyo selector xisaabeed ee linear-ka. Linear means straight, toosan ee samaysa xariiqda tooska. Equation waxaa la yidhaha selector to mathematical statement waa odhah xisaabaysan taasoo ka kooban oo ay ku jirto calaamadda isleekaysiintu equal si ay noo tusto inay labada tibxood isleegyihiin. labada tibxoodna midna waa xagga bidixda midna waa xagga midigta, markaa tibixdan iyo tan inay isleegyihiin taasaa la odhanayaa marka equation. Overview: 5x plus 9 is equal 24. This is term I told before. Another term, those two terms we call expression. And this is a single term. Expression with this term between an equal sign is called equation. Right? Left hand side is equal to the right hand side. That's an equation. This is the variable x, and this 5 is coefficient. Constant, another constant. The operator can be minus, can be plus, can be times, can be divided by. Those are called operations. So this is an operator. This is another constant. Equal sign is equality. What makes the equality of the two terms or two expressions? This is the overview of the equation, right? There are various types of equations such as linear equation, polynomial equation, quadratic equation, trigonometric equation, radical equation, exponential, rational. So only here we have to take the linear equation which has one variable or two variable. We will see next in 3 variables. Right. Example 1. Solve the following linear equations. We have to find the value of this x. Same. Those two x's are same. Right. Here is our equal sign. This is left side and this is the right side. We need that the left side must be equal to the right side. The left side, here we need to have the variable only, and this will be the constant only, all numbers. If we write again, 7x minus 5 is equal 4x plus 13. This is the variable that we need on the left side, but we have now the coefficient and constant. We have to remove the constant and the coefficient. Here only the variable must left, and here we need a constant, so the variable must be removed. The variable must be removed with the coefficient, right? So first we have to take this variable with coefficient to the left side, and then we have to take the constant to the right side, but this will remain 7x. So we have to take the 4x. Whenever we take the 4x, this plus will change into minus. So minus 4x is equal 13. We did not take this, but the 5, we will take the 5 into the right side. So it will be plus 5. The minus, this side will be plus. So 7x minus 4x, we can subtract because of same variable, will be 3x is equal 13 plus 5 is 18. To have this variable, we have to cancel the coefficient. So to cancel the coefficient, we have to divide both sides into 3. So this 3 will be cancelled to that. X is equal 18 over 3 is equal 6. If I write here 6 and 6, because of this they are equal, 7 times 6 is 42, minus 5 37. 4 times 6 is 24, plus 13 is 37. 37, which is the left side, is equal to the 37, which is right side. That's the meaning of an equation. Right, the next example. Before next example, let us translate. Arday, tusaalaha koobaad waxaa laga rabaa inaynu soo saarno the value of x, qiimaha x ta aynu soo saarno. Si aynu soo saarno, isla egteena waxaa kala qaybiya equal sign ama isla ekaysiyaha equal ah. qaybta hore waa left, waa bidix, qaybta dambena waa midig. Si aynu u xalino, xagga hore waxaan ku reebaynaa oo keliya doorsoomaha variable, dhinacana waxaa inoo degaya constant any number. marka si aynu doorsoomaha u reebno, waa inaynu meesha ka saarno constantka 5ka ah. halkana si aynu constantka numberka u reebno, waa inaynu ka saarnaa variableka iyo horgelihiisaba. So waa inaan soo wareejiyaa markaa this 4x waa anigaa keenay, plus baa u qarsoonaa markuu xaggan yimaado negative buu qaadan, then markaynu labadaa kala jarno waa 3x 5kii isagana waynu qaadnay waxaynu geynay qaybta midigta plus buu qaadan because of minus buu ahaa markaynu isu geynana waa 18 si aynu variable-kaas oo keliya u helno layna weydiiyey x-ta dhinaca walba 3 baynu u qaybin marka x to 6 bay soo baxaysaa halka haddaan 6 ku bedelno 7 6 ku dhufo 42 5 ka jar 37 halkana 4 6 ku dhufo waxa weeyaan 24 13 awgeed 37 bidixda iyo midigtu way isleeyihiin kaas ayaa ah macnaha equation tusaalaha labaad this is only number 2 no matter first we have to remove the bracket if you see a bracket you have to remove that so 3 times x is 3x minus 3 times 2 is 6 is equal 6 times x 6x minus 6 times 3 is 18 we know this is left side and this is the right side okay left side we need only the variable and the right side we need only the constant right variable and the constant so this is 3x minus 6 is equal 6x minus 18 here we have to remove this 6 and we have to remove here into 6x 3x will be here and then minus 6x this positive will be negative yes is equal negative 18 be careful here is negative 18 this will be plus 6 when it turns into the right side if we subtract this will be minus 3x because of the larger number is here is equal negative and the positive will be subtracted so 18 minus 6 is 12 negative because of the larger number has a negative sign we have to divide the coefficient of x which is minus 3 and here is minus 3 minus 3 will be cancelled into this x is equal this negative this negative will be cancelled to this negative 12 divided by 3 is 4 so the value of x is 4 right if we write here 4 and here 4 those two variables are equal we will get the same value so that's our solution of this equation arday marka koobaad qowskaasaad meesha ka saaraysaa qowska waxaa looga saarayaa in lagu soo dhufto tirada dibadda oo 3 lagu dhuftay x waa 3x labadaba way ku dhacaysaa 3 lagu dhuftay 2 waa 6 equal waxay la mid tahay 6 lagu dhuftay x waa 6x laga jaray 6 lagu dhuftay 3 waa 18 dhinacani waa dhinacii bidixda xaggana waa midig saa daraadeed bidixda waxaynu rabnaa inaynu ku soo reebno doorsoomaha oo keliya midigtana constant ama numberka tirada si aynu ugu soo reebno wixii constant ah halkan waan ka qaadaynaa dhinaca midigtana waxaan ka soo qaadanaa wixii variable wata marka 6x waan soo qaadnay calaamadeeduna waa change 6 na xagganaynu geynay labadii meeshooda sii yaalayna waa 3x iyo 18 waan iska daynay iyaga so labadan waan kala jarnay negative 3x bay soo baxday because of a smaller number kiiba horeeya xaggana waa 12 iyaguna subtract each other we divide negative 3 into both x to waxay noqotay marka 4 okay the next example which is a fraction sometimes the example or your calculation or your problem can be a subtract and fraction any fraction first you have to remove the denominator which is those 3 and 5 to remove this you have to find the related number related number means the LCM. LCM, to find the LCM, you have to write here 3 and 5. Divide and the same number. We do not have a same number which can be divided both, so we have to divide here 3, 1, and here 5, 1 separately. So we multiply 3 and 5, which is 15. This is the LCM we need. So we have to multiply any by 15, then we will got the result. So write again 5x plus 4 divided by 3. We multiply here by 15, which is LCM, plus 6x minus 4 divided by 5. We multiply here by 15, and also 15 times 4. This 15 can be multiplied into those three parts: first part, second part, and the third part. We have to multiply into the new LCM, right? So before multiplication, you can divide this 15 into 3, which is what? Which is 5. And then 5 times 5x is 25x plus, because of we can multiply here both. And 5 times 4 is 20. We do not have a denominator now, so plus. We can divide here 15 into 5, which is 3. So 3 times 6 is 18x. And 3 times 4 minus 12 is equal 15 times 4, which is 60. Right. Here we can arrange in variables and constants. So these variables can be added to this. So 25x plus 18x, because same variables can be added or subtracted. So 25x plus 18, you can add here. Do not use calculator, you do not need that. So divided by 18, so 5 is 13. We have 1 and this is 4, so here is 43x. We have to remove the constants into this direction, right side, because of this is our center. So our right side will be all constants equal 60. This will be here minus 20, right? And 12 will be plus 12. Gain the sign, right? Then we have to subtract this and add to 12. We have to get the result. Right. 43x is equal 60 minus 20 is 40 plus 12 is 52. Right. 60 minus 20 is 40 plus 12 is 52, right? So here we have to change into 4. Students, it was 1, so I wrote here 4, so you can change into 4. We work here 4, right? So no problem, you will work with 4, right? Here is 4, so I have changed it, right? We will divide in 43 in both sides, so x will be 52 over 43. You can divide, oh, that's enough. This is the value of x, students. Right, that's our next example. Arday tusaalaheenu waxa ku saabsan yahay waa jajab ama fraction. Marka jajabta si aad uga shaqeyso hooseeyaad ka tuuraysaa meesha. Hooseeyaha si aad uga tuurtana waa inaad raadiso the LCM ama dhufsanayaraha ay wadaagaan. Marka LCM ka 3 iyo 5 wuxuu wada qaybsamaa ma jiraan, saa daraadeed 3 baynu u qaybin kana shantiisa gaar. Labadan isku dhufan 5 iyo 10. Meel kasta oo 3 qaybood ah 5 iyo 10 baad xagga hore kaga dhufanaysaa. Marka 5 iyo 10 waxaan u qaybinay 3dan 5 bay noqotay, 5tan labadan bay ku dhacaysaa. Sidoo kale 5 iyo 10 maashaan u qaybinay 3 way iyaduna way ku dhacaysaa. Halkaasi 1 bay ahayd laakiin waxaan ku shaqeynay 4. marka 4 un baad ka dhiganaysaa halka waan yaa bedelay arday this point, so iska ilaali halka. 4 kana waa kula jira isaguna 15 ka waa lagu dhufanayaa. Not only this, kuwan oo kaliya maaha, dhammaan waa lagu wada dhufanayaa because of isagana 1 baa u qarsoonaa marka uu kula shaqeynaya. marka labadana isku dhufanay 25 iyo 20 bay noqotay. kana waan ku dhufanay 18 iyo 12. tan waan isku dhufanay waa 60. wixii x waan isku geynay, wixii tiraana waxaan geynay dhinaca bidixda. labadan waan kala jarnay, kana waan u sii geynay. marka x saasay noogu soo baxday. That's our next example. Okay, this is so easy. And the last one, 6 teams enter. Sometimes this is word problem. Yes, word problem is written as a word, equation as a word. 6 teams enter a competition. 6 teams. There are X members in each team. So 6 teams. First team, second team, third team, fourth team, fifth team, and sixth team. Each team has X members, means we do not know the exact number or exact members of each team. So this is X members, and the next team is X members, and third team is X members, and the fourth team has X members, and the fifth team also sixth team. So sixth team is, each one has X members. So there's 6X. Sixth team has 6X members, right? If 8 people drop out, 8 people are drop out, all those 6 teams, 8 people only drop out. So 6X, which the members of all 6 teams, 8 members drop out, means minus, subtract it, remove it, right? Eliminate it. And 34 complete the competition. So when this 8 people is removed, the left people or the people that complete the competition is 34. So 6 teams minus 8, the members left is 34. 6 teams, which 8 people drop out, the members left is 34. So write down an equation. We wrote the equation. This is the equation. And solve it to find the number in each team. We have to solve this equation, and then we have to find the number in each team at the start of the competition. This 34 is not the exact number of the 6 teams. So we have to take this 8 into the right side. This is so easy. 6x is equal 34 plus 8. So 6x is equal 34 plus 8 is equal to 42. We divide here into 6 in each side, and 42. So right here we have to make clear, right? this is equal, not so equal, divided by 6, we cancel to this number, x is equal to 42 of 7 members. 7 members. So each team has exactly 7 members, right? arday tani waxa weeyaan word problem. mararka qaar waxa lagu weydiinayaa hadal ahaan ayaa lagu weydiinayaa. So waxa la inagu yiri 6 team ayaa tartan galay. 6da teamka koobaad, teamka labaad, teamka saddexaad, teamka afraad, teamka shanaad, teamka lixaad. mid kasta wuxuu leeyahay x member, means ma garanayno tiradooda weeyaan. marka waxa laga soo qaatay x. marka waxay isku yihiin 6x, means memberski oo egasa iyo 6dii team weeyaan. intoodaasiba waxa laga saaray 8 qof. waa 6doodii oo la isku daray intay memberska haysteen waxa laga saaray 8. dabeedna waxa soo haray oo tartanka dhamaystay 34. marka equationka dhisal inagu yiri equationka waa intaan dhisnay weeyaan. this is the equation aynu dhisnay la inooga baahnaa waa tan. then waynu xalinaynaa dee 8 kan baynu xaggan geyn plus buu qaadan dhinaca walba waxaan u qaybinay 6. marka memberska la inooga baahnaa waa 7. that's all today arday fi amaan illah.